If your refrigerator will not cool, you may have placed it into demo mode. This can be done if you lean on the control panel or touch fridge and freezer buttons at the same time. If you are in demo mode, cooling off is not illuminated. All functions work properly, but the unit will not cool. To get out of demo mode, touch fridge and freezer at the same time and hold for 3 seconds. Cooling off will illuminate, indicating you are now out of demo mode. If this doesn't solve your problem, call for service. Please subscribe to our channel. We upload videos every week to help you with your appliances. And please remember to always use your use and care guide.